Hello everybody. After making the first video explaining how to choose a PC casing, I have realized that I have left a few points out. So today I'm going to cover those points and make you understand why they are important. The first most important is that the PC case outlook. I'm sure that you are going to take care of it by yourself, but the variety can break any budget. So it can be a PC casing of $1,000 with custom water cooling system, custom pumps. So the next important matter is the power consumption. When you are using a computer, even a fan will use some amount of electricity. It's not much. If it is 120 millimeter width, it's going to use about 4 watts of electricity. It's not much, but because the casing is something that you are going to use it all the time, it is very important to be as efficient as possible. The other power consumption factor is that as you can reduce the temperature of the CPU is going to use less electricity in order to generate the same frequency. So it's very important to cool it down enough, but at the same time use less fan or pump. And the third factor is thermal paste. Most of the people that I have seen, they just ignore the importance of a thermal paste. Thermal paste is the single most important component that if it is dried out, it is going to have low thermal conductivity. Therefore, it is going to make the CPU more hot, and eventually reducing its overall performance, reducing its lifetime. So it's important to use a thermal paste which lasts long and a thermal paste which cools down, has higher thermal conductivity to cool it down significantly. The other most important factor is safety. So you don't want to open the door of your system as we do it in many parts of the world. We just leave the door open in order to have better airflow inside it, but it makes more dust accumulation, and it makes it unsafe for children, for other people in the house, or even for the casing itself, in order to if there is any shocks to it, for example. I hope that it had cleared some of these points. In the next video, I'm going to explain why in detail, how we went about solving each of those problems, and in the new PC casing that we designed, and explaining in detail the numbers of the power consumption, the numbers of cooling units that you can get. Thank you very much.